Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you all this beautiful looking blue smoked out eye makeup look which I've paired off with these subtle nudish lips. And first of all, I'd like to wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day to everyone who's celebrating out there. Enjoy yourself to whatever level you people want to. And coming back to the makeup tutorial, I was like willing to find out my perfect blues to match and complement each other pretty well, and that's what I came up with. Finally I've got my hands on those blues that I find perfect for myself. So today I have came up with this makeup look. I hope you all will enjoy, and if you people do, then don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And with that being said, I'll take your all's leave, and let's just not waste any time further and see how I got this makeup look. So starting off with one of the most essential steps of makeup, that is skincare. So I'm starting off with my rose water, spraying all over my face and waiting for it to dry. Then taking my moisturizer. This one is by Neutrogena. You people know it's one of my favorites and I use it on a daily basis. It has an SPF as well, which helps my skin to get protected from the harmful rays of sun as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead with a lip balm because it's just windy here in Lucknow, so lips get toned, so it's needed. Now taking the NYX full cover concealer, I'm just going to go ahead with the help of my Real Techniques concealer blending brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it all around my eye area. First of all, I love to cover my dark circles with my concealer, and later on I love to move forward towards the highlighting stuff. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Then I'm going ahead towards the highlighting stuff, that is highlighting my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and then my cupid's bow, my chin, around my mouth, and a little bit under where my contour lines would fall. And that's what you people are seeing me at the moment. I am loving to just extend my highlighting a little bit more than what I would usually do. It just makes me have that hallucination of being more highlighted and concealed, properly concealed and contoured face. That's what I love about it. So just doing the same. The drill is becoming quite more and more common with the passage of every day. Now coming up to the contouring part, I'm taking the Makeup Obsession's contouring product. This is the cream contouring product of Makeup Obsession. I'm just going ahead and applying it onto the usual contour areas of my face. And as you guys know, it is a perfect match for me when it comes up to or in terms of contouring. So I'm just loving it at the moment, and I love the way it gives my face that sculpted look, as well as it doesn't just ask me to go ahead and blend it to the time, multiply it to infinity. So it's just easy to go ahead with. Now taking my wet Real Techniques Miracle Sponge and taking my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. This is one tone darker to my skin tone, so it would help me balance out the entire white concealer onto my face, and it would help me set my contour areas as well. So I'm just going ahead and applying it with the help of my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge onto all over my face. And you people must have already seen my video on how I love to use and utilize my darker looking shades or lighter looking shades, concealers and foundations, and that's what I'm doing at the moment. This is how I love to perfectly balance each and every single thing that is available in my vanity, because I don't personally love to throw away the stuff, neither I give away the stuff that is not like suiting me. I have used just once or twice, so I wouldn't give it away. It's just it doesn't seem to me right. So I'm just going ahead and using it the way I can possibly find the best way. Now I'm taking the I'm extremely sorry, the compact powder from LA Girl Pro HD finish. Now I'm taking it and setting my entire face with the help of it, and going ahead and applying a tape underneath my eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and powder my under eye area to make sure that it looks properly finished. And going ahead with my Pro HD Makeup Revolutions palette, I'm taking this 4th shade from the bottom row, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it onto my crease to make sure that it is going to be making the other colors go ahead and blend in properly. Here you people can see me doing the same. I am just going ahead and building up the color all the way up to the level I love to. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the deepest brown shade from the palette, and I'm just going to diffuse it all around the eye area just to make sure that it's looking nice. And now I am taking the highlighting shade. This one is the highlighter from Makeup Obsession, and I'm just going to pop it into the inner corner of my eye, and then going ahead and build it up into the 1/3 area of my eye, the inner rim, 1/3 inner rim of my eye. So going ahead and doing that. Next, taking my NYX Brights palette, I am just taking a combination of these two blue shades from the palette and spraying my brush with the help of my rose water, just to make sure that I get that color intensity. Now these colors are really sandy or muddy or whatever you want to call them, so they fall off a lot. So just don't, if you're using the same palette, just don't forget to go ahead and powder your under eye area, because it will ruin your base makeup. Or just go ahead and complete your eyes first and then apply the rest of the base makeup, because the fallout is like humongous. So just go ahead and take these two precautions, any one of these two precautions. Now taking the royal blue shade from the Makeup Obsessions range. You people have seen this eyeshadow me using many times in the past, but of lately I wasn't getting a combination of it, but right now I did. So I'm just going ahead and applying it onto the outer V. I'm just using my smaller paddle brush at this moment. Till this point of time, I'm just using that smaller brush. Now I'm taking a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going ahead and blending all the shades onto my crease, just to make sure that they are not like looking slopey or patchy and just going ahead everywhere, or just being at a specific pace and not being blended with each other. So that's what I was doing, and then going ahead and intensifying the blue shade once again, because it's quite sandy, so it just falls off or moves away from the actual place what the actual space it has been allotted to. Now going ahead with the black shade from the Makeup Obsessions palette, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it onto the outer V area as well, just to make sure that it is looking a little bit more precise. Now dusting away the excess loose powder that was underneath my eye, I'm taking the same Faces brush and running it underneath my eye to make sure that my lower lash line is even balanced, but I didn't add any excessive product. Now taking the combination of the black and the brown shade from the same Makeup Revolution palette, I'm just filling in my brows. And for the front part of the brow, I'm just taking the brown shade. So the back is black and brown, and the front part is just the brown shade, to make sure that it is looking nice and natural. Now I'm taking the Makeup Revolution's actual contouring product, that is the powder form of it, and I'm just going to go ahead and sculpt my face with the help of it. Set the areas where I did apply that contouring product, because the highlighting areas were setted by my compact powder, but the contoured areas are not setted till yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that for myself. Now I'm taking a smaller brush. This one is by Real Techniques once again, and I'm just going to go ahead and sculpt my nose and lip with the help of it. Now taking the same highlighting shade that was there in my inner corners, it just helps you bring the look together. I'm just going to highlight my higher points of the face, that is my optical bone, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin a little bit. It's just gonna bring the entire look, eyes and just the cheeks together. Now taking the blusher, this one is by Color Bar. I'm just going to tap my brush into it, and I know it's an unhealthy habit to blow on your brush, but it was just way too much that came into the brush, so I had to blow it away. That's what I was doing. Now I'm blending my contour and highlighter with the help of my blusher. Going ahead with my lips, I am taking the MUA Luxe Liquid Lipstick. That is one of my favorite shades, and it's just amazing to be looking for. But I know you people must be thinking I'm crazy for going ahead with a blue smoky eye and then going ahead with a perfectly amazingly red lips. But don't worry guys, I'm not that crazy. I know that over excessively bold shades don't work together. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this lipstick first, and then I'm going to go ahead and make a cocktail of lipstick with the help of this lipstick. This one is by I forgot the brand. MUA Multiple Kisses. So this lipstick is in the shade number 04, and I went ahead and just reduce the intensity of the color that was there on my lip with the help of this lipstick. It's just, I personally feel like I love going ahead and doing a cocktail of lipsticks, and it just gives you a unique shade that is usually not available in your vanity. And then going ahead with my Nyka's eyeliner. This one is the Get Inked eyeliner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and groom my lash line with the help of it. And this eyeshadow has made it really impossible to go ahead and line my eye, because it's just so sandy that the tip of my eyeliner is just getting all the sand or whatever the material is of which this eyeshadow is made up of onto it, and it's just not letting me sketch my liner the way I love to with a single stroke. So I have to go ahead and apply multiple strokes to bring it to the level that I love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my Lakme Absolute's kohl pencil, and it's making me sad with the passage of every day that it is just about to get finished. Now I'm taking the Maybelline's Push Up Drama Lashes mascara, and I'm just going ahead and applying it onto my lashes, just making sure that they're looking perfectly defined. And it would take me a little bit of time to go ahead and groom my lashes for this makeup look, because all of that blue eyeshadow is over my lashes, so I have to cover it up as well. That's why it's just taking a little bit more of a time to go ahead and do that. That's what I'm doing at the moment, and I didn't went ahead with the excessive fast forwarding feature this time. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have gone through, because it just took me a while to go ahead and groom my lashes. But finally, as they are groomed, the entire makeup look is finished. I hope you all have enjoyed today's video, and if you people did, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and comment below. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.